of the best features everyone wants to use on WhatsApp is how you can easily send a photo or videos on WhatsApp without losing its quality. So you want to maintain the standard of the photo or the video that you send via WhatsApp. However, before the new WhatsApp update was released, the best way to send video or photo on WhatsApp without losing its quality is to send the photo or video as a document. But now there's a feature to send photos or video on WhatsApp without losing quality. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to send WhatsApp photos without losing quality. Now the first thing to do is you want to make sure that your WhatsApp is up to date. So this is quite important. You must update your WhatsApp to the latest version, and after that, open the WhatsApp application and open the chat that you want to send photos or videos to without losing its quality. Then click on this plus icon. Once you click on that, tap photos. Now select the photo you want to send without losing its quality. You can select as many as possible photo up to 1020. Just click on it like this. Tap HD at the top. Once you click on HD, you should see media quality. HD is clearer. Standard quality uses less storage space and is faster to send. However, if you want to send this particular photo without losing the quality, choose HD quality and should see one photo set to HD quality. You can select as many as possible photos to send in HD quality so that the photo will not lose its quality. And if you check HD here, you should notice a check mark. Then you can also crop this image even in HD quality to remove unwanted parts. Then tap on the done button. You can also reset it. Then there is also a feature to rotate this picture on your iPhone. Is that? Then tap on done. Once you hit the done button, then click on the send button, and there you go. This photo will be sent in HD quality and the photo will not lose its quality on your iPhone. So if you find this interesting on how to send photos on WhatsApp without losing its quality, you want to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quality videos just like this.